Okay, hello everyone. This is Group D. This is Jiwei, and we will show you our assignment. So for me, I will present the PCC, the main router, and ISP router. First thing is PCC. To the PCC, the first thing I will configure the IP address of PCC. So this is the IP address of PCC, and then I will ping 111.1. Because if I can pin 111, that means I can connect the PC to the router ISP. That means this PC can log into the public internet as a loose one because it will find the main router's mask. So that's loose one. If I pin it again, the loose will disappear. And then I will trace route 1111 that will show the route of the data. That means my net could be work. So that's the PC6 work. And to the man router, first thing is the console password. Password is Cisco. And then the enable password should be class. And I will show interface brief. So that show my interface IP to each port. And then I will show run. So for each step, I will expand. The first thing is the survey password encryption. That means I use the RCS to secret the password. The hostname is man and enables password couldn't say that because I just encryption it. And then the user password is also can be saved and no IP domain look back. That means I ban the IP domain look back. It will save our time and also it could be disable the domain name resolution for when when device attempt DNS loopback. And also I set the ID domain's address. It's important to SSH configuration. It's crucial to generate the SSH key pair for SSH access. And then it's each port's address and then. And for the OSPF, that means I just put this three network to the OSPF because we should use the OSPF to our internal network and the net pool. This is our pool's limit. So that's from this address to this address, our pool, and the pool is inside overall, which means multiple device can access the pool at the same time. And also I use a static net for the PC3, as you can see from there. Yeah, and then that's all of the main router. For the ISP router, the thing wrong is same with the main router, but something is different. For example, I set the loopback address is 11111. This address is for the device administrator can often use this address to remotely manage the device, and the loopback interface are used to test internal routing and the connectivity within the device or between the device. And then I will show IP route. So you can see the static route is this, is to F00 is the main port. That means the network goes through this row. However, if I just delete this line, which means the primary route was closed, and then I show IP router again, you can see the static route is from another port, is F01. And then because ISP is not in the OSPF, so we can see nothing about the OSPF. It just had the static route. However, in the main router, if I show IP route, have many things. The OSPF, we can see there are the OSPF, and also we can see something if we put show IP OSPF neighbor. That means the 154 is the east, and the 111.5 is the west. So which means my OSPF is work. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. And next presentation will be Meiling.
Hello, this is Meiling. For the project, I will demonstrate the West-East router and Thomas jump switch. Firstly, I will explain the West router how it works here. When connected to the device, we can see one message display here, which is MOTD, authorized users only. Then next one, we set up the password here, which is we ensure only authorized users can access the router. The first password is Cisco. Next one is class. I'm gonna show run. So from here, you can see the host name is West, which is we can identify the device in the network. And you can see enable secrets. That means we protect provided exit mode with encrypted password. Then we set up no IP domain lookup here to avoid unnecessary delays. Then lastly, we set up login synchronous, which means we can prevent log message from interrupting command input. Then next one, I'm gonna show IP interface. Here you can see this interface in West. We set up VLAN 10.20.99.555 here, and make sure this status is up. Next one show IP. The next one show IP OSPF neighbor. From here we can see this neighbor IP address. I mean West router IP address neighbor address. To ensure the router chooses the shortest path from data transmission. From here, we can see all all network paths. So which means the router can go this way or this way. We'll check the network if connect or not. We can ping the ISP IP address. For the next one, I'm gonna demonstrate the Thomas switch. Firstly, show run. Then next, show IP interface. Interface brief. We can see this interface, the status already up, which means the data can come through from this way and this way. Includes this VLAN status already up as well. So next one, we try to ping 1 point. To check the network and the network it works or not. Next one, show interface trunk. You can see this port connect VLAN 10, 20, 99 and native VLAN 555. And here, so for set up the trunk, we can make sure the device can carry multiple VLAN between switch. And also we set up native VLAN 555 is used for on-tag traffic. Lastly, show VLAN brief. We set up different VLAN is to improve security and traffic management. Another thing we set up IP default gateway for the switch is for the management. They can manage the device remotely. And also we set up the secret share here is for the remote safety because SSH more safety than Telnet. Now I'm gonna demonstrate PC1. From here, we can check the IP address subnet mask default gateway. Then firstly, we show IP config. From here, we can check this IP address and default gateway submask as well. Then P1. Then ping again. It works. Then check the traceroute. It works. Also, we can ping one interface from ISP, which is F00. Oh, sorry. Now I ping PC4. So the network can go through to PC4. Now I'm gonna delete one cable. Check the networks if still work. So from the screen now we can see even we take one cable from here and the network still works. So next one shows switch jumps. Password Cisco. Oops. So run. And this interface already up, which means here. And you can check the VLAN already up as well. So VLAN 99 is the IP default gateway, which means we can log in this switch. Show VLAN brief. LAN pin PC4. For some reason, when sometimes pin ISP, it doesn't work, but sometimes it works. And also, when we point here, second, we can see from interface 6 to 10 is VLAN 10, 11 to 15 is VLAN 20, and 21 is for 99. Password Cisco and class. So run. This status already up. That's it. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Yasser and I'll be demonstrating the branch, George, and PC4. So we'll start off with the router. It's asking for the password. And now to enable, we also need password. As you can see, everything is connected. We'll now show that the interfaces are connected to the right IP addresses. So we have 0001 and SE 0001 with all their branches and SE, and they're all up. Now we'll show the OSPF. Here's the routes for the OSPF. They have 9 subnets and 6 masks. And now we'll go to George. It's asking for the password. All the passwords are encrypted. Here we could see that the SVIs are all up. Next we'll show the trunks. Those are the trunks that are allowed. And finally, we'll show the VLANs. Those are the active VLANs with the ports that they're connected to. We'll now try to ping PC4 to its own gateway. Everything's working well. Now we'll try to ping it to a neighboring PC. Everything is connected well. All the branches are working well.